Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change out your emblems on a 2015 to 2017 F150. I'm sure it'll work the same on the 2018s, but we'll kind of see. I'll kind of walk you guys through the process. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be removing this emblem and putting an emblem that's been custom painted on here. All right. Some of the tools that you'll need to do this. I picked this up from Harbor Freight. It's kind of like a little scraper set. They have some other stuff like this. I think this was like $8 at Harbor Freight. Use these to get the emblems off. You're gonna need a little Dremel tool, something like that. This is the nicer one from Harbor Freight that has a battery instead of a cable. You can get this for about $20 to $30. And then just, you know, some scissors. You might need some scissors, you might not. It really depends. Alright guys, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take one of these little tools right here. There are two clips that hold this on. I'll kind of show you. Alright guys, now for removing this clip. Is a very difficult clip to remove. I don't know the best way to do it. Just try to kind of pull on it, and if it doesn't come out by just pulling on it, then you're gonna have to compress it. So I'm not even gonna show you guys this part because I don't want to show you guys something and you do it on your truck and it not work out good for you. Alright, I got the clip out. I hate these clips. They're a real pain in the ass to get out. I don't know if there's a special tool to do it, but basically what I did was just kind of reach in and decompress the part of the clip and pull it out with these pliers. Be very careful. You don't want to mess up your fender doing this. Alright guys, here's the new emblem, here's the old emblem. What you want to do is you want to look at the back and make sure your emblems, that all the notches line up. If they don't, you're going to have to do like I did, and you're going to have to cut one of these little notches off. You see how these two don't line up? These line up, these don't line up, these line up, and these line up. So you're going to have to take on your new emblem and you're going to have to cut this one off using a Dremel tool, okay? If you already have double-sided tape on your emblem, be careful. Don't remove the stuff until you cut this off, because you don't want to get the plastic from cutting this off all over your double-sided tape. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to cut this off. If you don't feel confident cutting this off your new emblem, you might want to try it on your old emblem, because you're probably going to get rid of it anyways. But you see, for me, I'm going to have to cut this one off right here. So make sure you compare it, see which one you got to cut off, move the old emblem to the side, get your Dremel tool, put some kind of tip on it where it has an edge that you can kind of cut with, and I'll show you guys how to do that now. Got the double-sided tape on there. Try to put it on the top as much as you can to keep water from getting down in between there. I got some little spots where it'll kind of get in there, but I really don't care. So basically what you want to do is you want to take the emblem, make sure your clips are on there good, make sure that's lined up, and just kind of push it on there evenly. And then when the clips pop, make sure you push it so the double-sided tape really sets on the fender. And be careful, because if your emblem is freshly painted, you don't want to mess up the paint. But mine's been painted for quite some time, so I'm not really concerned about it. You could always put a you know, cloth or something over it. But yeah, there it is.